Take the whole family out for a day of exploration, learning, and fun at the Nature Museum. Inside, you can examine Vermont wildlife up close with interactive exhibits, hand-painted dioramas, and mounted specimens. Crawl through an underground bear den, dig up fossils, dress up as your favorite creature, and watch the resident honeybees at work in their glass hive. Borrow one of the museum's outdoor adventure backpacks and head outside to continue your adventure. Stroll or skip through the pollinator garden. You may see those same honeybees out collecting nectar, or take a hike through the forest along the Ferry House Trail. Discover pond dipping, enjoy a picnic in the backyard, and take a closer look at the beauty that surrounds you.